What's up, beautiful spirits, and welcome to CC's channel, where we keep it crystal clear about, well, everything. And today I'm going to be reverting my 2-week-old silk press back to its natural 4C texture. And get this, I'm going to do so using products I created right here in my home, and I'm going to show you how to do the same. Make sure you stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be transitioning this 2-week-old silk press back to my natural 4C texture. And if you probably can already tell from this video, it's late at night, so I don't know how well the light is hitting. This is pretty thick hair. I cannot put my hands through my hair, so I sweat out my roots pretty well, and the ends of my hair are still pretty like straight. And so what I want to do is just make everything go back to its natural curl, and I'm going to revert it that way. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the shampoo. I'm going to be using this product to shampoo my hair, and I'm going to be using this product to condition my hair. Everything else that I use throughout this video is going to be a natural product that I created. So the hair mask that I apply to my hair is going to be 100% natural. The oil that I apply to my hair is going to be 100% natural. And then of course, leave-in conditioner that I apply to my hair will be 100% natural. So this is literally the only thing that I'm going to be using. I was going to pre-poo my hair, but I decided against it. I'm going to just see what my hair does without the pre-poo. And if after this time I noticed that I could have used that pre-poo, I'll try it again the next time I straighten my hair for a trim. So yeah, I'll be back once it is time to apply the mask. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I just finished my wash and detangle process. And I use a shirt to dry my hair and not a towel. And as you can see, I've already detangled and separated my hair in 2 sections. That is a process that I like to do when I'm in the shower. It is much easier to just do it all while you're in the shower. Okay, so really quickly before I apply my mask, I just want to give this plug this. This is all of the hair that came out of my head during this whole process. I really cannot believe it. I've never been that successful with detangling my hair. My wash and detangle process this time after I got my trim was extremely easy. So this just solidified that I'm going to continue to do trims very much so consistently throughout the year, because it was super simple. Also, the shampoo left my hair feeling pretty soft, and I still don't feel like my hair is really giving me that tight curl that it usually has. So I'm really excited to apply the mask. So the mask that I'm going to be applying today is a Fenugreek mask. It is amazing. It's going to be 100% homemade, and if you want the how-to recipe, make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to just continue to work through the process and go ahead and do voiceovers from now into the end, so that I can just speed this up and while my hair is still pretty damp. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. All right, here we have it. This is what my hair looks like with the Fenugreek mask in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put a plastic bag over my head, and I'm also going to put a heated cap on, and I'm going to sit with that heated cap for about half an hour. So the reason why I'm doing all of this is because I really want to retain moisture in my hair, and I'm about to apply a protective style. So I always deep condition my hair, but I want to make sure that I retain as much moisture in my hair as possible. So I'm really particular about the process in which I do on the wash day. So I'm going to go ahead and put the heated cap over my head for 30 minutes, and I'll be back once I wash out the product. Bye guys.
Later.
All right guys, I have to be crystal clear about this. See that face? That is a face full of pure joy and excitement looking at my hair. But then I started to notice how many white specks was on my shirt and realized I had so many seeds still in my hair. Later, I'm going to make a video on how to properly make the Fenugreek mask, because if you don't make it right, you'll definitely have seeds stuck in your hair, and you don't want a bunch of seeds in your hair, trust me. So up next, I'm just going to go ahead and do the LCO method, which is the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use a cream and then an oil to seal in the moisture. And then tomorrow, I will be putting my hair in a nice protective style. But for tonight, I'm just going to twist it up and go to sleep. So yeah, I'm going to be quiet, and I'm going to go back to voiceover so you guys can know exactly what I'm doing. So stay tuned. All right, beautiful spirits. So for the leave-in conditioner I will be using in this video, I created it at home using fenugreek seeds and aloe vera. And the cream is actually from your local beauty supply. It's the Talia Wyatt Curl Cream. And of course, my oil, as I mentioned earlier, I created from home as well, based with aloe vera and a couple of more essential oils. If you want more details on how to create these products yourself, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and follow me for more awesome videos like this one. So since this is an overnight style and it's really not going to be the protective style that I keep in my hair for 1 month, I'm not paying a lot of attention to the way I part my hair or separate my hair. I'm simply separating it in a manageable way. I'm going to add the spray first, then I'm going to add in my cream. After I add the cream to my hair, I'll brush it out, and once my hair is detangled, I'll seal in all of that moisture using that oil and twist it up. And I'm simply going to repeat this process until my entire head is complete. Let's keep it crystal clear. This was a process, but I don't regret a thing. Let's talk about it. So for me, the hair oil that I created and the hair spritz that I created was absolutely by far the best. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The Fenugreek mask that I used felt so incredible going on my hair. The slip was amazing. However, I did not do a good enough job blending in the seeds, and therefore I struggled, okay? I struggled to remove the fenugreek mask out of my hair. And so if you notice in the video, you may see a lot of like buildup of product on my shirt. Those are simply like the fenugreek seeds still coming out after I rinsed my hair for a good 20 minutes. So if I notice tomorrow that it is still more product or fenugreek seeds in my hair, more than likely I'm gonna have to rinse it out again, but I'm gonna do so while it's in the twist. And moving forward, when I create my fenugreek hair mask, I'll use fenugreek powder. I will share the recipe for my oil and the recipe for my spritz videos because those were bomb.com, but I'm gonna hold off on the fenugreek hair mask because just keeping it crystal clear, who wants to show you how to do something that's gonna mess up your hair? And I didn't do a good enough job doing it the first time, so I definitely want to give it another go. After I apply my first protective style, I'm gonna go back and try it again and see what happens. The detangling process was effortless. Again, I am going to be trying protective styles all 2021, and me creating or using my own recipes for products is something that I have started in 2021 and I'm going to continue to do. So I need you to be patient with me as we trial and error this thing. I'm going to keep it crystal clear. That's what the channel is about, being honest. And so until then, stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be trying out a protective style, so I hope you guys like it. Until next time, out.